Today's topic is all about insurance, specifically the best insurance plans for families that can save you thousands each year. Insurance isn't just about paying premiums. It's about protecting your family while avoiding massive unexpected expenses. Stick around until the end because we'll share expert tips on how to bundle and compare policies to maximize your savings. Let's start with the most important and often the most expensive. 1. Health insurance. Health insurance is the most critical policy for families. Medical emergencies can cost tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars without coverage. In 2025, the best family plans are high-deductible health plans, HDHPs, paired with health savings accounts, HSAs. Why? Because HDHPs have lower premiums, and HSAs let you save money tax-free for medical expenses. This combination saves you upfront and prepares you for future costs. 2. Term life insurance. If you have dependents, term life insurance is a must. It's affordable and provides a large death benefit if something happens to you. For less than $50 a month, you can get a $500,000 policy for 20 or 30 years. Avoid whole life policies unless you fully understand the long-term cost structure. 3. Disability insurance. Most people insure their lives, but not their income. Disability insurance protects your family's income if you can't work due to illness or injury. Short-term and long-term disability policies can replace up to 60% of your income. 4. Dental and vision plans. These are often overlooked, but dental and vision expenses add up quickly for families. Preventative care, braces, glasses, and checkups can cost hundreds or thousands per year. Preventative care, braces, glasses, and checkups can cost hundreds or thousands per year. 5. Auto insurance with family discount. If you have multiple cars or teen drivers in the house, auto insurance becomes a major expense. The key is to bundle your vehicles under one family policy and look for multi-car and safe driver discounts. 6. Homeowners or renters insurance. Whether you own or rent, protecting your home and belongings is essential. Homeowners insurance covers the structure, liability, and personal belongings. 7. Umbrella insurance. This is extra liability coverage that kicks in after your auto or home insurance limits are reached. For about $150 to $300 a year, you can get $1 million in extra protection. 8. Travel insurance for family trips. Travel insurance can save you thousands if a trip gets canceled, delayed, or interrupted. Family travel policies can cover flights, hotels, baggage, and even medical emergencies abroad. Look for plans that offer cancel for any reason coverage for the most flexibility. 9. Pet insurance. If your family includes furry members, vet bills can be surprisingly high. Pet insurance helps cover accidents, illnesses, and even chronic conditions. Plans start at $20 to $40 per month and can save you thousands on unexpected treatments. 10. Identity theft insurance. With digital threats rising, identity protection is a smart addition to family coverage. Many plans offer credit monitoring, fraud resolution, and up to $1 million in coverage. Some are bundled with homeowners or financial services. Raise deductibles. Higher deductibles mean lower premiums, but be sure you can cover the difference. Use an independent agent. They work with multiple companies and can find the best deal for your needs. Check for group rates. Unions, alumni associations, and credit unions offer discounted insurance. Maintain good credit. Many insurance companies use your credit score to set premiums. Review policies yearly. Your needs change, make sure your coverage still fits your family. You don't need to buy every type of insurance. But you do need to choose wisely based on your stage of life, financial situation, and risk level. The right policies can save you from medical bills, legal claims, lost income, and disasters that could derail your financial progress. Smart insurance is not an expense, it's a shield that protects everything you've worked hard to build. Thank you for watching today's breakdown of the best family insurance plans to save you thousands. If this video gave you clarity or helped you rethink your family's protection, please like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical money tips, insurance guides, and tools to protect and grow your wealth. We're here every week helping families make smarter financial decisions. Let me know if you'd like this turned into a blog article, infographic script, or a comparison chart for visual content.